My name's Sue James. I'm the director of the Biomedical Engineering program here at Colorado State University. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, and I've been here for almost 12 years now. CSU has a very long history of excellence in biomedical research and veterinary medicine. We have one of the top-ranked veterinary medicine programs in the country, and that's a real bonus for our biomedical engineering program. The biomedical engineering program began in the late 90s, and it offers academic opportunities to both undergraduate students and graduate students that want to study in this exciting area. Biomedical engineering is really the application of engineering, math, and science to solutions in healthcare, improving health for both human beings as well as animals, because we do work with the veterinarians on animal work as well. We're sitting here in the Orthopedic Bioengineering Research Laboratory, which is my laboratory as well as Dr. Christian Putlitz's laboratory. My work is in orthopedic biomaterials, in other words, the materials that are used in implants like total joint replacements and for cartilage repair. Dr. Putlitz works more in the area of biomechanics, and specifically he's looking at the spine and the biomechanics of the spine. How do we correct that? What happens when we do surgery on the spine to fuse vertebra or put in an implant? And how are the mechanics of the spine changed? And he works with industry as well as private donors and foundations. My work in biomaterials is currently being funded by private industry and technology transfer types of foundations. Our goal right now is to transfer our technology out of the laboratory to these companies in Indiana that have taken a license on the technology and want to commercialize it. We're hoping to have our new materials invented here at Colorado State University on the market in medical implants, hopefully within about 5 years. I have a number of students who work in my laboratory, both undergraduates and graduate students. The undergraduates do a variety of research functions and get some good experience to get them ready for either going to medical school or graduate school or going out to work in industry. And my graduate students are writing theses and dissertations on the research we're doing on these new materials for total joint replacements and cartilage repair. We're sitting here in the chemistry lab where we do a lot of the polymer chemistry and synthesize these new polymers from scratch. The Orthopedic Bioengineering Research Lab is located here right behind the Veterinary Medical Center, so we're in very close contact with the veterinary clinicians that we work with on a daily basis. It's probably one of the most interdisciplinary research labs on campus because we have researchers here from the College of Engineering working side by side with researchers from the College of Veterinary Medicine and Biomedical Sciences. Our students enjoy this environment because it is such a rich environment for doing the interdisciplinary research, and the collaborators they need are just down the hall. In addition to this, we have several facilities on campus where research is performed, as well as the Foothills campus. For example, at the chemistry department central instrument for facilities, we do a lot of our characterization. Biomedical engineering is an exciting growth area for the College of Engineering. We've hired a number of faculty over the last few years in this area and have plans to hire several more over the next 5 years. For example, Ranil Wickramasinghe works in chemical and biological engineering. There's a number of researchers in electrical and computer engineering that are developing microsensors. Dr. Amy Prudin in the Department of Environmental Engineering works on protecting our water supply from antibiotic contamination from things like farms. And she just received an exciting grant from the National Science Foundation to study in this area. The biomedical engineering program is continuing to grow because it is such an exciting field. The number of biomedical engineering programs across the country are rapidly increasing. They've more than doubled in the last decade, and CSU intends to keep up with this trend. In addition to offering certificates to undergraduate and graduate students, we also have a Master's of Engineering degree and more degree plans underway. Please see the web page, which you can get to from the College of Engineering main page, to learn more about the biomedical engineering program and exciting opportunities for students to study in this area. The bioscience and bioengineering industry in Colorado has been growing over the last decade. It now surpasses agriculture as one of the main industries in Colorado. The Colorado Bioscience Association, which is a nonprofit trade organization of all the companies along the Front Range in Colorado, has recently teamed up with CSU and other universities in the state to provide access of our research laboratories, like the Orthopedic Bioengineering Research Lab where we're sitting now, to the members of CBSA so that Colorado's bioscience and engineering industry can come use the research labs at CSU to further develop their products. So we're really excited about teaming up with these industry partners. The students will welcome this opportunity because they get to work on real-world problems and development of real products for industry, and it also gives them a direct line to employment in the industry after they graduate.